show you how I make a really nice chocolate banana and almond ice cream. Now, you can modify this to make it a very healthy version, or you can just make it like I'm going to today. I'm making it for my grandbabies. However, there's no sugar in this except for what I'm going to put, what little bit of peanut butter I'm going to put in there. So anyway, here we go. With that, we are going to put bananas in here. And I'm going to use 4 nice sized bananas. I got one that's frozen, and that's okay. You can use that. You can do them all frozen if you want. I'm going to peel up these bananas. And they love this. I've made this for them several times. I'm just going to break that banana up in there. So you're going to have a total of 4 bananas. Okay, here's the 4th one. And like I said, you can modify this recipe to make it, you know, healthy for the healthy eating series. It works out very good either way. This way that I'm doing it is fairly healthy. You can put chocolate chips, you know, you can, this is just a basic recipe. You can add to it or take away, change it around, modify it, do whatever you want. That was 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. And I'm going to put 2 good tablespoons of peanut butter in here. You can use any nut butter you want. I'm just choosing peanut butter. These are wonderful. My mother used to make this all the time when I was a young girl. So there you have that. Get off there. All right. Okay, so we are going to start blending this. You are ultimately, I probably will need a little bit of liquid, and that's where my milk comes in. And of course, I use almond milk. So you can use any milk you want. So I'm going to go ahead and pulse this up. Get it mixed up in here really good. You may have to push it down. There it goes. It's getting there. Okay, now that I got that a little bit mixed in, I'm going to add about a good 1/4 cup of my almond milk. And just let it go. Actually, I'm just going to turn it on and let it go. I'm going to have to cut. I've got my banana in there but it's rather froze, so I'm going to cut that up a little bit more. Alright, there we go. Now we're just going to turn that on, and I'm just going to let that go for a few minutes, and when I get it all mixed up, this can take about 3 or 4 good minutes. And when I get it all mixed up and creamy, I will be back. Okay friends, I have got that all mixed up, and you can see, of course it's real runny because we're going to have to freeze it, but with that it's all mixed up, it's nice and smooth, it's creamy, and I did a finger taste, it tastes divine. So with that, I'm just going to put my almonds in here, and I'm just going to give it one quick swirl to mix them in. Now I don't want them ground up. That's it. Now that's it. Now let's see. I have got this nice Cool Whip tub that I'm going to pour this in. You can see that down there. Don't cut yourself on that blade, whatever you do. Let's get all the goodness off there. Okay. Now we're just going to get the rest of this in here. Don't waste any. This is a wonderful treat, and it also makes a wonderful healthy dessert as well. Mine's probably the healthier version. I don't have any sugar in it except for what's in the peanut butter, but you certainly can make it even lower calorie if you choose. Okay, so that's what we got there. And see that? And my almonds are still in there. You can see them in there. Now I'm going to put this in the freezer for a good 4 hours or so. And then when it's all done and I'm ready to scoop it up and serve it, I'll bring it back and show you how nice it is. Okay, friends, our chocolate banana ice cream is ready. So, with that, that is beautiful. Look at how wonderful that turned out. We're going to give a little bit for Papa and a little bit for Tootsie Bell to try. Wonderful. Take a look at that. Absolutely, it's going to be delicious. I can tell you that already. So there you have it, friends. Give this a try, and it's healthier. Thanks for watching.